how to see recently viewed apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll provide a basic tutorial on how to view recently used apps on your iPhone. So the first thing is by swiping off from the bottom of the screen. uh you can just swipe up, drag up your screen, and then you can see all of the apps that you have recently opened up. Or if you're using iPhone with older models, then you can just double press on the home button and then it will load this up. Or another thing what you can do is go to the settings. So what you need to do is scroll down and tap on screen time and then go to see all app and website activity, and here you'll be able to see all of the apps you have used and even the time. And that's it. You can even just see how many apps you have used on previous days as well by tapping on the arrow option, and you can see that it will show me the apps that I've used every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.